found for you today. This interesting kind of bike lock. This comes out and totally unwraps, and then it connects to down here. Right, you unlock it, and then you put this in there, and then it that's how it locks. This seems like you could probably pry it apart pretty easily. I'm not that keen on this particular design, but that's not the part we're super interested in here, is it? I want to know more about this. It's a pretty cheap lock, so we're just going to go ahead and assume it's like front tensioning or something. Get out the quick and easy. I like to go to the back with that guy. Okay, let's line that up. And then bring it back to the front. Here we're tensioning. And we'll see what we got here. I think this is the tensioning fork. Disc 1, just rotating. Not much going on there. 2. Okay. Too much tension. All right, that feels good. Okay, that one feels good. That let loose a little easy. That's wiggling. Next one. Okay, let's go back to the front. Okay. And okay, nice movement on that one. When we pick that one. Okay, so that feels good. Second one feels set. Third one feels set. Fourth one feels set. I think that was 5. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. Oh, okay. Yep. That was just really dug in there. Actually, I can probably show. I don't know if you saw the bit earlier where there was that little tube in there, but now it's missing, and you would put that in there, right? And then there's the locking bit that comes down, which it won't lock now because it's in unlocked position. Okay, so that was this cheap little detainer lock. As you can see, it's pretty simple even for somebody who's not particularly skilled at detainers. But we sort of expect that from some of those cheaper locks you can get on Amazon or wherever. And there it is.